If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
The Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier provides 99.9% germ-free moisture for dry air relief. Designed for medium-sized rooms, this humidifier helps relieve dry air discomforts like dry throat, chapped lips, and static shock. With this unique humidifier, water passes through a UV system that kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, mold, fungus, and virus in the unit's water before being released into the air. 3 fan speeds control moisture output, and the Quiet Care technology makes it ideal for use in a bedroom. For germ-free, temporary relief from dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.
LEVOIT's LV450CH ultrasonic humidifier is a refreshing and revitalizing upgrade to home wellness. With its 360-degree mist nozzle and 3 humidity levels, you'll feel cool anywhere in your home. Its simple one-touch control is intuitive and easy to use. For aromatherapy, simply add your favorite essential oils to the built-in diffuser. The LV450 humidifier runs for up to 40 hours and works quietly through the night, helping to hydrate your skin and stop airborne bacteria. The ultimate 3-in-1 device, the LV450 humidifier brings health and vitality into your home. Breathe easy, knowing your health is being pampered. LEVOIT, wellness plus style actualized.
Get the best sleep of your life while treating your skin and maintaining a healthy home with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. Effortlessly increase humidity in any room with the Humidifier's ultrasonic cool mist, proven to improve sleep, allergies, and skin health by reducing airborne viruses and bacteria. The humidifier features a 6-liter, 1.6-gallon large capacity water tank with a super high mist output of 270 milliliters per hour, lasting up to 50 straight hours between refills. Unlike most ultrasonic humidifiers that come with a filter that needs replacing every couple of months, our unique humidifier is filterless, and it runs whisper quiet. Set it and forget it. And rest easy with its auto shut-off feature that automatically turns off your humidifier once it runs out of water. Plus, it includes a built-in essential oil tray. Simply add your favorite essential oils and fill your room with clean, pure, fresh-smelling aromas. Get the humidifier Kendall Jenner personally recommends in Allure magazine as one of her favorite beauty products. Relax and refresh with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Everlasting Comfort.